This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials. The Echo Dot is powered and visible in the Alexa app, and your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. Open the Alexa app, tap Devices, select your Echo Dot, then Bluetooth devices and choose Pair a new device. This starts the Dot's pairing window so it can see your phone. Once done, switch your phone to scan for devices and look for the Echo Dot name. Pairing must begin from either device within that window. Once your phone lists the Echo Dot, tap its name to initiate the connection. You may see a permission prompt. Accept it so audio and control pass between devices. The Alexa app will show a connecting indicator, and the Dot usually announces when pairing succeeds. If prompted for a PIN, enter the number shown in the app. Make sure to keep both devices near each other and avoid switching Wi-Fi networks during this step. Interference can break the handshake and require restarting the process. After pairing, choose the Echo Dot as your phone's audio output so media routes to the speaker. You can control volume from either device. To disconnect, use the Alexa app's Bluetooth settings or say, "Alexa, disconnect." If things go wrong, try simple fixes. Restart the Echo Dot and your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or forget the device in Bluetooth settings before repairing. This clears stale entries and resolves most issues. If problems persist, check for firmware updates in the Alexa app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.